Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Masking images is a common operation in image processing, where you want to isolate certain parts of an image based on specific criteria. In this tutorial, we'll use numpy and matplotlib to demonstrate how to create and apply a mask to an image. ### Prerequisites. Make sure you have the following libraries installed. ###. What is masking? Masking in image processing involves creating a binary mask, a matrix of the same size as the image, that defines which pixels to keep and which to ignore. Pixels corresponding to true in the mask will be retained, while those corresponding to false will be set to 0 or another specified value. ### Step-by-step guide. 1. Load an image. We'll load an image using OpenCV. 2. Create a mask. We'll create a binary mask based on certain conditions. 3. Apply the mask. We'll apply the mask to the image. 4. Display the result. Finally, we'll visualize the original image, the mask, and the masked image. ###. Code example. ###. Explanation. Loading the image, we use OpenCV2.imred to read the image and convert it from BGR to RGB format for proper display. Creating a mask, we create a binary mask by checking the condition where the red channel is greater than 100. This results in a Boolean array, mask, where true indicates that the condition has been met. Applying the mask, we create a new empty image and fill it with the original image's pixels wherever the mask is true. Displaying the results, we use matplotlib to display the original image, the mask, and the masked image side by side for comparison. ###. Conclusion. Masking images using numpy is a powerful technique in image processing. By creating various conditions for your mask, you can isolate different features in an image. You can modify the mask condition based on other channels, green, blue, or even combinations of them to achieve desired effects. Feel free to experiment with different conditions to see how they affect the resulting masked image.